This immediately came to my mind. Cracker Barrel twice in one day. My name is Nick, welcome to my channel, and I'm coming at you guys today with a follow me along vlog. So I'm just going to take you guys along for the day and tell you what I get into, and yeah, it's going to be awesome. So I am currently sitting here in the parking lot at the grocery store. I'm going to run into Aldi, pick up a couple of things. Going to be making a dessert today, a really easy, super good dessert. My grandma is coming today for a visit or whatever. We're going to actually go take her to lunch at Cracker Barrel and then, come back to our house and have dessert and probably play cards or something, whatever she just wants to do today. So that's going to be good. But yeah, I am going to be making a really, really easy, yummy dessert. We have strawberries at home. And so I was like, okay, what can we do with that? And this immediately came to my mind. So what it is it's a pie crust. You just bake the pie crust, but you don't make a pie. You just bake the crust. And then you top it with whipped toppings. Well, I've heard other people use cream cheese frosting, which would be really good. We typically use whipped topping. You can do Cool Whip or, the whipped topping in a can like Ready Whip, and then put strawberries and blueberries on top. It is so good. It is so easy. And it's just, yeah, it's really good. So run to Aldi to pick up things for that. Yeah, let's head into Aldi. How dare you come in here and interrupt my nap? Yeah, okay. Sorry, okay, Mia. So I thought I would show you guys a little Aldi haul. I showed you guys some clips in the store, but I thought I would just come back and show you guys the stuff I got and kind of like tell you why I bought the things and whatever. So first up, I did get this 45 calorie bread. This is so much cheaper than anywhere else that I see the 35 calorie bread. This was $1.85. It is 10 more calories, but honestly, that is such a huge price difference. I was really excited about that, so I got that. Also got the pie crusts for the recipe today. This was $2.49 for 2 crusts. I'm only going to use 1 crust, so we'll have 1 left over for probably Labor Day or something. I think these stay good for quite a while. I'll have to double check. Maybe I could freeze it or something. I don't know. Also got some whipped topping to go on that. And I got blueberries. Then I also got some shredded cheese. And this was all like a little over $12, which I think is really good. Like that's quite a bit of stuff for that price. So I was really excited for my finds over at Aldi. Time for lunch at Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel, amazing. They have a new smoky southern grilled chicken. It is absolutely amazing. Like, they had grilled chicken tenders before. These are like 10 times better. The seasoning, I don't know what it is, but it's so good. And you can't ever go wrong with dumplings. And I love their sourdough bread. And it was just such a good lunch at the Cracker. Guys, so we brought my grandma to the mall just to like look around, window shop, stuff like that. She's enjoying herself, but I actually did find something that I'm gonna pick up as a gift. I found this Carter's outfit. It comes with shorts and a shirt. $5 for both of those, which I just think is an awesome deal. They're regularly $10.99 at TJ Maxx, but it says comparable to $16 like if you went to the actual Carter store and bought it or whatever. So $5, I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna pick that up and stash it away for his birthday. So after the mall, we came back home and had dessert. So I wanna show you how we prepped it. It was super, super easy. So basically what you do is you're gonna start by preparing the pie crust exactly how your pie crust says on the box. So this one from Aldi said to let it thaw out for about 15 minutes or so and then to bake it on 400 degrees for about 15 minutes in the oven. So that is what I did. And put it on a plate, which I should have put it on a bigger plate. I know it doesn't even look like it is on a plate, but it is. Sprayed whipped topping, and then I spread that out with a spoon just to get the whipped topping, you know, evenly distributed, like you would an icing pretty much. So that's what I did, and then I washed the blueberries, and, you know, washed those in filtered water, and then what I did was I just threw the blueberries all over the pie. So as you can see, that is exactly what we're doing. Some of them had stems, so I had to pick those off, but yeah, just putting the blueberries, spreading them around. I've seen people like for the 4th and Memorial Day and stuff actually make it look like a flag. I think that's great. I personally don't do that because I want an even distribution of strawberries and blueberries. If you do it like a flag, you know, one corner would have the blueberries and then, you know, strawberries for the rest. But I don't know, I feel like it'd be better just to have, I wanted everybody to be able to have blueberries and strawberries. So that is what I did. And as you can see, that is how it looks. I just cut it into 9 pieces roughly. It was kind of a struggle. Here's how it looked, and man, guys, that was amazing. Totally add as many or as few berries as you want. I did about a half a pint of strawberries and a half a pint of blueberries, and that was the perfect amount for us. But yeah, whatever you want to do, that's perfect. But guys, try that recipe. All right, guys, it is now 6:19 p.m. and I just ran an errand to a place I've already been today. Cracker Barrel for the second time, not to eat. I honestly though, I could eat that meal again because it's just that good. Like, oh, it's so good. But I came because earlier my grandma, she's been doing this a lot lately. She doesn't get out a ton. She doesn't drive anymore. So basically a lot of times she'll see stuff while we're out at the store and then she'll call me or she'll like sneak and tell me real quick, like, oh, will you pick that up for me, for your parents for Christmas? And that's what she did today. So she saw something in here she really wanted to get my dad. So she asked me to come back and pick it up for her. So I came and I got her what she wanted. It was on sale. So that was awesome. And yes, it worked out really good. So Cracker Barrel twice in one day. Okay, it is later now. It is 8:14 p.m. and I have been doing editing for my YouTube channel. So got this vlog edited and ready to go. Just got to insert this clip in. Guys, that is all I got for today's vlog though. I really hope you all enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.